There's a question from the YouTube, ABCDAVV. Hello, is it haram to pray Sunnah in the same place where you pray the Fard prayer? The question poses that is it haram to pray Sunnah in the same place where we have prayed Fard? What the Prophet said, that immediately when you finish your Fard Salah, if you want to pray Sunnah, then you pray in a different place so that you can differentiate between the two Salah. If you have finished your Fard Salah and you immediately want to pray Sunnah, then you shift your place so that you can differentiate between the two Salahs. But if you prayed your Fard, then after the Fard you have done Dua and have spent about 5-6 minutes in Dua, and then if you want to pray Sunnah, there is no problem at all. You can pray in the same place where you prayed your Fard. Only if you want to pray immediately, it is recommended by the Prophet that you pray in a different place so that you can differentiate between the Fard and the Sunnah Salah. There is another message that has just come on the YouTube. It's a photo of one of the posts. Information, urgent, important notice to all Muslims from Dr. Zakir Naik. Warning, a new version of Quran has been released on Google Play Store. The name of this application is the Holy Quran in Arabic text and English translation, translated by Maulvi Sher Ali. Please make Muslims aware not to buy or download this application. All Muslims are requested to perform the duty by sharing it. Please share this information as much as you can. Why are you waiting? Send now! Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. Copied. Again, this information is not from me. I have not published any such post, but I'm aware that this is circulating again in the social media since many years. And since we have a large collection of various English translations of the Quran, we have this copy of the translation of the Quran by Maulvi Sher Ali. And I'm aware that this translation is by the Ahmadis. Ahmadis is a sect of the Qadianis, and they believe that Ahmad Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is a Nabi who came after the Prophet, and there's a big history of it. But this is not the mainstream Muslim. They don't belong to s.a.w. Jamaat. They are Qadianis, the Ahmadi sect. So this translation of Maulvi Sher Ali is by an Ahmadi. So of course, we Muslims should be careful about it. So the information that we have to be careful and should not read it, should not spread it, is correct. But this was not circulated by me. This message is not from me. So it falls under that category that this information is correct, but I didn't draft it. The warning is correct, and we should not read it, should not spread it, because it's not a translation from the Sunnah wal Jamaat. It is by Qadiani, it is by Ahmadi, which is not on the Quran and Sunnah. So the information is correct.